Okay, Facebook. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. I'm sitting here with my sister. You can't see her, but you will see her pretty fingers. So I have this box.
Hey, people.
She said, hey. I have this box. Universal Yums that I ordered. And basically it's like snacks from other countries. And yeah, the country that they sent me this time is Russia. So we're going to be trying these snacks from Russia. And we're going to see if we like them or not. Yeah, we got our spit bowl. Well, bowls in case we don't like the snack. We have to spit it out. Yeah. Hey to everybody that's watching. Okay, so I'm going to let y'all see. It comes like this. There's some chips. I don't know what the hell it says.
We'll find out. All right. The chips are shish kebab potato chips.
Okay, these chips are shish kebab potato chips from Russia.
Yeah, tell them you have a whole description.
Oh yeah. We have a little description manual for each snack as well. Thanks, Shauna. Don't forget. Okay. Is that what we want to start on now?
We have a
Candy.
that is a chocolate dipped baked milk cake.
This is a chocolate dipped baked milk cake. That shit sounds like too much. Sounds like too much.
A caramel dream, which is caramel with lemon fondant and jam. And the green one in the candy bag is a Forest Berry Honey Peanut Delight. It is a chocolate covered honey and peanut candy.
These ingredients are making me not even want. Okay, what do we want to eat? Let's try this. This looks fun.
Okay.
Okay, this is what we're gonna try first.
That is
My sister's over here. In case y'all wondering for you newcomers.
meat jelly and horseradish rye breadsticks.
Okay, we're gonna try these first. Say that one more time, Shauna.
It is a meat jelly and horseradish rye breadsticks.
That shit sounds nasty. Alright, so snacks from Russia. Okay, here we go. Oh, it smells like...
Horseradish.
Oh, it smells like... Smell it.
It smells like Ed Woods.
Yeah, it smells like horseradish dirt.
What do you get me into?
Okay. This is what it looks like.
Oh God.
Oh God, here we
It's
go.
like dog cat food.
Oh God.
Oh no.
You can't do it.
Oh, it's salty. Oh my God. Oh God. So I'm not even gonna chew it. Oh God, it's on my tongue. I can't get it off.
No, it wants to be good though. It wants to be good.
Okay, you said so.
It wants to be good in my mouth. There's a lot going on. I can't do it. No, those are a go. I mean, those are a no, not a go.
What are we trying next?
Okay.
Another salty or a sweet?
Let's go. Okay, that was a salty. Yeah, we're gonna go to a sweet. So
You wanna try
go
the
ahead, Sean.
chocolate
You
bar?
try it first. Your turn. I'm gonna show them what we're trying first.
It's a grapefruit chocolate bar. It's dark chocolate bar with grapefruit.
Okay, so this is the ingredients are a dark chocolate grapefruit. Yeah, so grapefruit covered in dark chocolate candy, and I'm gonna let my sister try it first. Yeah, these are snacks for anybody that just come in. These are snacks that I ordered out of this Universal Yums box. And these are from Russia. So yeah, I'm a foodie, so what better way to be a stay-at-home mom and fucking try snacks from Russia? Okay.
Really nice chocolate.
Smells rich. Okay. This is what it looks like. It looks like laxative. What does it taste like? Okay. First of all, that's what it looks like. Smells really rich, like somebody's grandma's chocolate bowl. What does the grapefruit taste like?
Very grapefruity. It's very pungent.
Ew.
Grapefruit taste. You get that first.
Yeah.
And then the chocolate comes in. Not horrible, but really rich.
It's just super, super rich.
The filling is really sweet. And I'm a candy holic, and I don't even want that. That's
Russian taste buds are
oh God, that was rich.
potent.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's just maybe if I was like, on my cycle and was like craving some chocolate or some shit, I would go for this. But yeah. Okay, Russia. All right. We're going to switch it back over to a salty. I'm going to go ahead and try these chips.
And they were a
Shish kebab. These are shish kebab chips from Russia. What does that got wrong? Do I have my barrier paid? What is... Barrier?
Look, we trying to make sure we ain't gonna kill ourselves. Is what he saying?
Oh, my burial? In case we die eating Russian food? Okay, so these are shish kebab chips from Russia. They're cute. They're really cute. Like, they're all like... Here, my sisters. Yeah. They're really cute little chips.
Smell like anything, probably.
They don't taste like anything.
They look like almost like a potato crisp.
They don't taste like nothing. Tastes like baby food. Hey, Whitney.
Like diet food.
Hey, Whitney.
You're on a diet. This is what.
Hey, Preggers. Yeah, this tastes like nothing. It tastes like diet chips or baby food, a baby snack. Yeah, I got wrong. We're gonna croak on this live eating Russian snacks, trying Russian snacks.
That's fair enough.
Yeah, it tastes like it's just really bland. Yeah. Next.
Do you want to try this cake item?
Okay, we're gonna try these.
Chocolate dipped baked milk cake.
Chocolate chip.
No, chocolate dipped.
Wait. Chocolate dipped.
Baked milk cake.
Milk cake. Did y'all get that? Chocolate dipped baked milk cake. That's just too fucking much.
It's called a fairy tale roll cake.
Okay. It looks like a little cinnamon roll on the... It tastes like dyed chips, Whitney. It looks like a cinnamon roll. Whatever that is. I'm gonna let my sister taste it first.
Korota. Hold on.
My sister's trying to speak Russian.
Ooh, it smells like it's dipped in liquor. It smells like it's dipped in vodka, which could be very true.
My sister said it smells like it's been dipped in vodka, Russian vodka probably.
Oh God,
And it looks like that. It's pretty on one side.
all right. Let's go.
You go first. Oh, it smells like... No, that's a brown liquor. That's a, what is that?
E&J?
That's E&J. Anything. It's been dipped in some sort of...
It smells like it did.
Well, it smells like it has.
Let's see.
Been dipped in like a brown alcohol.
Not horrible.
Look at it.
Not horrible. A little spongy.
Spongy. My sister says spongy. Here we go.
Kind of disintegrates once it's in the mouth.
It tastes like a smell. Oh, these snacks are horrible.
Maybe, I don't think that. Look.
Russians. No, that's a no. That's a no. The Russian cinnamon roll is a no. No. It can go in my no bowl.
Okay, this is a chocolate covered black. This is a chocolate covered black currant marshmallow. We're gonna see.
We're in Russia right now eating Russian snacks. That's my sister over here. She doesn't want to be seen, but her nails are cute. And okay, what is this again?
So, chocolate covered black currant marshmallow.
Chocolate covered black currant marshmallow. So a chocolate covered marshmallow.
You know, that black currant might change my life. Oh, it's pretty in the inside.
You see? Oh, it's real cute on the inside. I'll just take one half. She split it in half.
Smells interesting. Looks almost like
No, it smells like ass. Smells like ass.
maybe that's the kind of chocolate they use that it all stinks.
It smells like ass. This Russian snack smells like ass. My sister lying. That shit smells like ass, Shauna. I'm not tasting it. If y'all can see her face right now.
The black currant taste.
Oh, and it tastes like ass. Hell no. No.
All right.
Okay, moving on.
So we have 3 items left.
Let's see what these dyed chips are doing. Nope, they still don't taste good. No.
All right.
We're all done with our Russian snacks.
This is a soft toffee with peanuts.
Okay, we got a soft toffee with peanuts. Do you see it? Okay. So this is my life when my baby's taking a nap. I order shit like this.
Okay, interesting looking. Texture looks
It looks nasty.
right. Looks like it's already been chewed.
My sister said it looks like it's already been chewed. I wish y'all could see my sister faces.
Horrible texture. Oh my god. It's
Like
a block
Russians?
of sugar that was never melted down. Like
No, another no-go. So yeah, these are Russian snacks. I ordered a box of I ordered snacks from this company, and they'll send you snacks from different countries. And they sent me Russia this time, and that shit is different. I'll just say that it's different. And Shauna over here, but you should see her faces. Y'all should see my sister faces. That's the faces y'all need to see, but she don't want to be seen, so whatever. We'll get her next time on the next box. Okay, we got some candy.
so
I'm gonna have a stomach ache.
No, I ain't swallowed nothing.
The taste of something is lingering in my mouth.
Okay, these are chocolate covered honey and peanut candy.
Chocolate covered honey and peanut candy.
It is called a Forest Berry Honey Peanut Delight.
Okay, this is what's killing me with the Russian snacks. This this is one from earlier. You see that dark chocolate? Where's that other thing? Oh, this. They have like their chocolate is like really dark and rich, and it smells like ass.
Yes, this one really does.
Oh God, no, Sean. No, the inside smells like throw up.
Oh, hell no.
She threw.
Nope, not doing it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. She gave up on that one.
Not doing it. No,
Russia
no,
didn't make
no.
the cut, Sonya. This shit is like.
I've never bought any of this candy.
And my sister
Love candy.
is like a candy like freak. She said, "I'll never buy their candy."
Oh, God.
Didn't just kill me, but. And lastly, we're gonna go with this.
It's called a caramel dream.
It's a caramel dream. So.
And it's caramel with lemon fondant and jam.
Lemon fondant and jam. Looks like that. Like that. Hey everybody, if you just joined, me and my sister are trying Russian snacks from a company that I ordered. Universal Yums. $14.99 a month. This is what I do with my free time.
Terrible, terrible.
Oh, God.
Texture is terrible. Yeah, Russian.
Okay, it's hard. I thought it was going to be soft.
It's like a ball of sugar that was never melted. The texture is horrible.
It's like candy cookie or...
Russian. Don't you?
Dead ass. I'm not going to Russia.
This is
Okay.
what it's like.
Yeah, well, these days to go to. If it's off the strength of their snacks, I won't be going. But yeah, that's that on that. Yeah, they all sucked. These chips taste like baby food.
We're leaving for my boys.
These other chip things taste like, oh God. Oh my God, it's a lot of seasoning on
They're
these.
salty.
I want these to be good. They want to be good in my mouth, but they're not. This shit tastes like ass. It tastes like ass. I can't. So, that wraps up this segment of my Universal Yums. You guys should try it. It's really fun. It was fun to do with my sister over
It
here.
was really fun.
Say hi or bye with your hands.
Well, bye, everybody.
This is my sister over
That's
here.
half of my head. That's
All
all I
right,
get.
and cut. Back to mom life. Okay, how do I turn this off?